Welcome to the future of surface refinishing. Introducing the Master Blaster from Carell Industrial Solutions. Say goodbye to the traditional dry blasting and hello to the ultimate in precision and performance. The Master Blaster is not just any liquid bead blasting cabinet. It's a game changer in the world of surface cleaning and restoration. Our innovative liquid bead blasting process combines water with a specifically engineered blend of abrasive media, delivering a surface finish that's not only smoother, but also preserves intricate details like never before. The Master Blaster. With our top-of-the-line patented nozzle technology, the Master Blaster ensures optimal pressure and unparalleled effectiveness. Whether you're working on a delicate component or robust materials, achieve flawless results every time. Experience the next level in surface finishing. Discover the Master Blaster today. Find out more information at carellcorp.com.